preparation and practice, now I know how to desire. I want a lot of dreams in my life. I want to be successful. I want to earn money. I want to earn power. I want to be accomplished. Everything. I want to achieve something. Oh, wonderful. Those are all desires. Now, you are going to speak. Now, the next secret is diction. Diction is nothing but the words and phrases in a speech you are going to use. That will reveal your refinements, your culture, your education, your command over the language, your communication ability is all done by the diction. What are all the words you are using? What are all the phrases you are using in your speech? That matters most. See, we are connected in this world in four ways. Four contacts are there. One is what we do, either it's a profession or whatever it is, what we do for our living. Then how we look, that is a personality. What we say, then above all, how we say it. So diction comes into existence only this particular place, that how we say it, how we speak to the others, what are the words I'm going to use it, the choice of words, the choice of phrases. I give you an example. Suppose there is a meeting going on in a corporate company. They are discussing it's a group discussion. They are discussing something about the increase of production and the marketing of the same. There is a demand in the market. So the general manager tells the audience that, see, now that we have assembled here to discuss about something about the increase of production and the sale of our goods, I want you to give me the best solution possible. This is one way of saying it. This is just an information passed on to the audience. Suppose the general manager says that, see, I want everyone to have a discussion. A discussion is to find out what is right, whereas an argument is to find out who is right. I don't want an argument, I want only a discussion. This is called diction. The way the general manager puts it, that goes straight into the minds of the audience, they will immediately obey it, they will prepare for it. I'll tell you another example. Suppose there is no ending for learning. So जब हिंदी में बोलते हैं सीखो, सीखने के लिए कोई लिमिटेशन नहीं है. So जिंदगी भर तुम सीख सकते हो. This is an information passed on to the audience. Suppose I say, सीखना जरूरी है. अब तक नापा है मुट्ठी भर, लेकिन आगे नापना बाकी है आसमान तक. This is diction. This is the way, instead of informing to the audience, I inspire them. So immediately the audience receive it, understands it, and they are prepared to follow me. So enrich your words, stock of words, master your speech, but remember one thing, don't imitate others. They have a different personality. Don't imitate others. Imitation is suicide. So how to collect your word power? Reading books, the best source of your knowledge, and take as many good words and phrases wherever you put your hands on.